Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do color trading in Telegram step by step. First, you'll need to understand the basic concept of these prediction games. Next, find a reliable Telegram group or bot that facilitates this type of trading. Once you've chosen one, proceed to set up your account and deposit your initial funds securely. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the platform's interface and available options before you begin. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth start. Now, let's dive into understanding the game mechanics. It's essential to learn how to read and interpret the color patterns presented. Look for common trends and statistical probabilities that might emerge over several rounds. Familiarize yourself with the various betting options available, as they can differ. Crucially, recognize the importance of timing your trades effectively. A well-timed bet can significantly impact your results. This insight will help you make more informed decisions. Developing a smart trading strategy is key to success. Before placing any bets, establish a clear plan. It's wise to set daily profit targets, perhaps aiming for a 5 to 10% gain, and equally important stop-loss limits to protect your capital. A good rule of thumb is to risk only 1 to 2% of your total capital per trade. Always avoid making emotional decisions. Stick strictly to your predefined plan for consistent results. Finally, let's talk about executing your trades and best practices. Carefully place your bets, always adhering to the strategy you've developed. Continuously monitor your trades and be prepared to adjust your approach if market conditions change. A crucial step is to withdraw your profits regularly. This secures your earnings and reduces overall risk. Remember, the world of trading is dynamic, so continuously learn and refine your approach for long-term success. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.